Sir, meron daw pong, may sinabi si Levista again na 2 million pesos daw po yung inyong Christmas bonus bawat kongresista.
Ewan ko siya, tumanggap siya ng 2 million, ano ha. Pero ang ganito ang sistema dito, may sweldo kami. Ang sweldo namin sumusunod sa pay scale ng gobyerno.
How much per month?
Mga 240 a month yata, gano'n.
300K daw sabi niya.
O baka gano'n, hindi ko masyadong maalala, no. But then we get kumbaga a district operating fund, no, which everybody also gets, no. And then kuminsan there are additional activities in the district you can request, and the House leadership sometimes will grant you your additional activities bigger. Bawa, mas marami yung iyong mga botante. Ako, 500,000 yung inaalagaan ko sa distrito. Hindi dapat maging pareho ako sa yung isang distrito na 200,000 lang ang residente, di ba? So sometimes they will make adjustments like that. Pero hindi sa amin pumupunta yon, number one. Number two, pirmado kami, niresibo namin lahat yon. Okay? Walang cash na lumalabas din. Sinasabi niya mga bundles of cash. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun.
So there's
Kasi
no 2 million, sir?
there's accounting eh. Alam mo yun? Kaya hindi pwedeng mga pataguyan eh.
Sir, can you categorically deny na may 2 million pesos Christmas bonus po
I
sa
don't
lahat?
think everybody got 2 million. Okay?
Higher?
No, I don't think anybody got I don't think everybody got 2 million, and I don't think anybody got higher than 2 million, you know. And in the last analysis, it's not a Christmas bonus. It is an additional funding for your Christmas requirements in your district. Okay? So, again, naka-record lahat 'yan, 'di ba? May COA diyan. O, kung nagwawalang yaan dyan, di siguro malalaman naman yan.
Sir, paano Christmas requirements?
Yeah. Ano yung
Ano yung
per
Christmas
district?
requirements per district?
Well, you know, Christmas party ka sa mga barangay captain mo, health activity ka, you will do mga consultations, 'di ba? Mga ganon. Many things, but siyempre, you know, people are expecting the congressman to show up in their district and help them, you know, for whatever it is they need help for. So ganon. And again, these are not hard and fast rules, di ba? Wala namang ganon na ano talaga. Ang definite is the district budget. Okay? Now, yung mga bonus na yan, you know, you would have to go into each individual case because I know there is no general policy on that.